Okay, Miss Gail, what are we gonna make today?
Carrot ice cream!
Carrot ice cream. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. That's right, guys. Today we're gonna make carrot ice cream. I will add all the ingredients in the description as well as a list of the ingredients in the video. So the first step is to peel the carrots. We're gonna go with 4 carrots. Are you ready to peel some carrots? This is your carrot peeler. It's sharp, okay? So Dad's gonna help you. Can I borrow a hand? Perfect. Pick which one you're gonna peel first. That one? Catch it, catch it, catch it! Oh my gosh! Okay. Start here. Just peel it away. Alright, go ahead, do it. Good, keep going. Oh yeah, nice and slow and easy. Baby girl, you got this. Keep going. There we go. Perfect. Okay, Miss Adaline, what's the next step? Should we cut these up? That's right. The next step is to cut our carrots up into small pieces. How about Daddy does most of the work here, okay?
I do this. Can I hold on to the wheel?
Nope, you're going to help me out right here. All right, here we go. We're going to cut them up. Let Daddy help you. Cut them up.
Am I doing very
You're
good?
doing wonderful, baby girl. All right.
One of those carrots fell.
So we've got our carrots all peeled and chopped. Now we're going to cook them down. Just 20 minutes and some boiling water ought to do the trick. I'll get the pan. You're going to put the carrots in the pot, okay? All right. Whoop.
I almost fell.
You almost fell. Okay, I want you to put all those into there. All right, guys, so we've got our carrots all cooked down. Now we're just gonna put everything in the blender and give it a whirl. So we're gonna start with our 4 carrots. Can you pick that up for me? Oh, don't drop it. Don't drop it. Dump them all in there.
Whoa.
Whoa! 2 cups of milk. Wait, don't pick it up yet. Okay, go ahead and pour it in there. Don't make a mess. You can do it. Okay.
I didn't make a mess.
Great job. And then 2 cups of heavy cream. Wait. All right, pick it up. Go ahead. Oh, look at that. Good. Okay. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Get it in there. 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Oh, perfect. And then 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Don't get on your fingers, it's stinky. All right, and then 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Perfect. All right, Daddy's gonna get this on here, and then we're gonna press the button and blend it up, okay? Okay, go ahead and press the button on the right.
This one?
Nope, the other one.
This one?
Yeah, do it. Oh!
Can I do it a lot?
Yeah. So we've made it to the next step, or second to last step. We're going to load the ice cream maker. This is the Nostalgia 4-quart double ice cream maker. I'll put a link in the description where to get one.
Yeah.
When I originally wanted to do this video and make ice cream with my girls, I went out to the store to buy an ice cream maker and couldn't find one anywhere. I drove around all day long like a dummy looking for an ice cream maker. So I would recommend, if this is something you want to do, go ahead and order one or go find one in advance, but I'll leave a link where you can order one, okay? All right, so we're going to pour it into this aluminum drum. You ready?
Yeah.
I'll do the pouring, you just look cute. We're just going to take this and set it to the side. Because now it's time to make Sissy's ice cream. Okay? So you're all done, big girl. You're all done for now, okay?
It's your turn.
All right, Juliette, it's your turn, sweet girl. What kind of ice cream are you gonna make?
Cucumber ice cream.
Cucumber ice cream. All right, so we're gonna need 1.5 cups of these peeled cucumbers. So step one is gonna be to peel the cucumbers. All right, you ready? There's a cucumber. There's a peeler. I'm gonna go take a nap. I want this done, okay? I'm just kidding because this can cut your fingers. All right, you ready? So hold on to it. And we're just gonna scrape along there. Look at that. It peels it right off. That's so easy, huh? Just look at what you're doing.
Getting more.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so we've peeled our cucumbers. The next step is to cut them in half and scrape the seeds out. So you're gonna help Daddy here, okay? Dad does the knife. You just hold on to it. And we're gonna cut it lengthwise and then just set it to the side. And do it again.
Thank you for the video that we can do it.
Yeah? I can't wait to see your video. I bet it's gonna be awesome. All right, now we're gonna scoop the seeds out. I'm gonna take this spoon, go ahead and grab it. And we're just gonna scrape it straight down. Look at that. See how the seeds are coming out?
No, I
Good.
did.
Let's do it again.
I don't like these. I hate these.
You hate seeds?
Yeah.
All right, Juliette, so we have your cucumbers peeled and cut in half, and we've got all the seeds out, so now we're going to just chop it up into little pieces and put it in the bowl so we can measure it, okay? All right, let's get to chopping. You ready? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll do the knife part, you just hold on to it, okay? And then we'll just chop it up into little bitty pieces like that. put all of those into that bowl for me? So we've got your cucumber all ready. We've got all the other ingredients. So let's go ahead and put those into the blender and blend it up, okay? All right. Let's start with the cucumbers. Can you dump those in there carefully? You can do it. There you go. Now what do you want to put in?
Honey.
Honey? Okay. Let's put the honey in. 2 hands. Oh. Go. Don't tell Mom. The sugar. Let's go.
I like it.
And the vanilla.
Let me vanilla.
Crack them open, put them in there. 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Now other egg. Yum.
And lemon juice.
I like the lemon juice. Yummy.
Milk. You want Daddy to help you with it or you got it? Okay. Pick it up.
Yummy.
And last is the heavy cream. Okay, here we go.
I like heavy cream. I like it. Yummy. You're doing a good job.
You're doing a good job. Was that fun blending that up? Yeah, did you like pushing that button?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna pour it into our container and start getting it cold. You ready for Daddy to pour it in? Oh man. If there's any left over, I'll let you taste it, okay?
Yeah,
I
we
want you
can
to
try
take
it.
this stirrer and put it right down inside there. Oh, other way, like this. Set it down in there. Perfect. And then put this top right on top of it. Got it. Okay. All right. Are you girls ready to turn this stuff into ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Here we go. Let's put our containers in here and then we'll start putting the ice in there. And the salt.
Yummy.
1. Oh, so we've got carrot
Don't put egg in
and
there.
cucumber.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you girls ready to finally turn this stuff into ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to layer ice and this ice cream salt. Let me see if I can make it so you can see this. Morton ice cream salt.
That has chocolate in
Okay,
it.
you ready?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put some ice in here. Do a layer of ice and then a layer of salt, okay? How am I doing?
Good.
Am I doing it right? How would you know? Okay. What are you doing?
I'm just watching you do that.
Yeah?
What is that?
This is the salt.
I like that.
You know what the salt does?
Yeah.
It lowers the freezing temperature of water.
How?
Science. That's how. You ready? The last step we gotta do is turn this bad boy on. You ready to do that? Okay, Daddy's gonna plug it in, and away it goes. You ready? Okay, here we go. Alright guys, so while that ice cream is, turning into ice cream, I just wanted to take a second and maybe encourage you to do weird things with your kids. Make cucumber ice cream or whatever flavor you can think of. Get out in the backyard, grow something, have some fun. And if you find any value in these videos, then please click the subscribe button, leave a like or a comment or something. Just let us know that you're getting the message and that you're having fun with us. And as always, we'll see you in the backyard. Thanks. Who's the baby?
Bye.